Hi, this is Doug Faber, owner of Blinds by Design. Been in business for 20 years. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we install motorized roller shades in a patio. It's going to have a slope, so if you would look up there and scroll across and show them that this is an outdoor patio that they closed in to make it a Florida room, and they added an air conditioning unit. So this patio has a slope to it. I'm going to have to shim the right hand side. But what I'm going to do is first install the brackets. So I'm going to look for the flat spots. And I'm going to pre-mark them. So I pre-mark these. I'll come over here and do this side now while I'm at it. This is the side that's going to need the shims. Okay, I've got them marked. Now what I use, most homeowners won't have this, but this is a Bosch hammer drill, and it has a special bit called an SDS bit. Makes things so much easier. My wife and I actually installed in a big 36-story building in downtown Orlando for 5 years for a developer. Drilling into solid concrete for 8 hours a day. This cuts through like butter. Let me demonstrate. Hard part's done. Well, actually, the hardest part is probably going to be leveling this shade, but we'll get to that in a moment. So I use these, if you can zoom in, it's a star head bit, and these are Tapcons. It gives a much better bite on the head. You don't strip it out. You're going to want to even that bracket out so you get a good bite. If it's a little crooked, you're going to have a problem grabbing that because you only have, let me show you on this other bracket. So the bracket's going to be installed like that. Can you see it? Just that tiny little lip right there? Right here. That's what's going to grab on the top of the motorized cassette. Now to shorten this video a little bit, I'm going to use paper towels, saying, which is the shade? It's this one behind you? Is that right? I'll be right back, don't go anywhere. So there's a little lip on the top of the cassette. this lip right here is what's gonna grab on that little lip on the bracket. Come up here. Make sure both are gripping, and you just snap it in place. And there you have it.